This is the prototype for the Galloping Ghost pulsar, based on an ATtiny85 chip. I've done this before with an AT Mega 328 or 316, but this is done with a smaller chip. So what we've got here is this is a ATtiny85. The orange thing is just a decoupling capacitor. The resistor is the recommended resistor that you fit to an AT85 to hold the reset line high, just a 10k pull-up resistor. And we've got a power supply coming in, and we've got a couple of LEDs, as you can see. And over this side, this is just a receiver. This is a FreeSky D4R2 out of its case. So at the moment I'm using the two LEDs to represent the pulsing motor left and right, and you can see at the moment we've only got rudder connected right now, and the sticks in the centre, so the orange and the green LEDs, which are representing the left and right pulses, are about the same. If I move the rudder stick, I'm moving it over towards the left now, and you can see the orange lights coming on more and more and more. And if I go over the other way, then the green light comes on more and more and more. So that gives you the left-right pulsing. I say at the moment you can see the only signal going in to the chip via this orange wire is the rudder channel coming in from the receiver. But if I add a second channel now, this is the elevator channel. I'll plug that in on the next pin along. So it's optional, but if you want to use elevator, which is now connected, you can see I can now go slow pulses for up elevator, faster pulses for down elevator, and in the middle. Of course the rudder still works as well, as you'd expect. So that's added elevator. I've actually put the wrong wire in there. Let me swap over to this yellow one, because yellow is actually the elevator channel. I plugged in the power channel by mistake, the auxiliary one. Right, so now we have rudder. Now that's down elevator, left, sorry, that's left, right, up elevator, right, left. You can see at the moment the lights aren't on all the time. This is because my pulsing sketch doesn't power the motor all the time, it lets it coast some of the time. And that's what this third wire is. If you want to use it, this is an auxiliary channel that goes in on there on pin 7. And now we've also got the option on that power one, we can stop the pulsing altogether, which is useful if you want to switch off the pulsing before you take off. Or at the moment I've got this on a dial, so I can increase it, and that's 100% powered now. So we've got left and right, and it's either driving left or driving right. That's about 50% powered, left and right, as it was before without the thing connected. Of course we've still got elevator, which slows it down or speeds it up. So that's all three. There we are, that's 100% power with full up elevator, and also now full right rudder. As I say, if you connect this to a dial, you can alter the amount of time that it's powered for, this third channel. Normally you just have that on a switch, so you can say stop pulsing, pulse. Useful if you've landed in the long grass or something and you want to stop the tail surfaces waggling around. when it's on the ground. So that's it. Obviously we could use a much smaller version of the ATtiny85 than this DIL package. This is just a prototype, so it might be a good idea to do a circuit board with a little surface mount ATtiny85 on there, and also a surface mount H driver chip, and you could get the whole thing then, the whole Galloping Ghost decoder and driver all with on a board, you know, about probably half the size of this receiver board or less. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.